Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Over 300,000 teachers are threatening to go on strike indefinitely. They have given the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama up to 30th April, 1 month, 4 weeks, to yield to the implementation of their conditions of service. Else, they will sit at home with their spouses, eat and sleep, and won't go to work. Now, sometimes, when it comes to issues about teachers and nurses, I want to be a little mischievous. And why do I want to be mischievous? Because teachers and nurses, those people, whenever MPP is in power, they enjoy. But after all the enjoyment, they will be the ones again to crucify MPP. Teachers and nurses. Especially they are equally as guilty. Now, it's not surprising, it's shocking, say, teachers for 4 years, Napo Minister of Education, 17, 18, 19, 20, no teacher union went on strike. 4 years, so Napo, Dr. Matiopoku Prempeh as Minister of Education. Why was no union going on strike at Napo? He was a good negotiator. He yielded to most of the demand of teachers. Right? For those demands that government could not implement, he would explain to teachers, say, oh, this, that, and the other are the reasons why maybe government cannot yield to your request at this time, but provided you give some allowance to government, some time, some breathing space to government, it will be implemented. And both unions and the ministry have coexisted for all those years. After Napo came Dr. Educhum. It is asserted, is a general view, say, a history more in the Fourth Republic. No, Dr. Educhum might be the best ever education minister we've had. Because under Dr. Educhum, we saw one teacher, one laptop policy being implemented. So one teacher, one laptop, the money was not fully paid for by teachers. Government was paying part, teachers were paying part. And most of the teachers, in fact, over 95% of teachers received their laptops. They are still using the laptops up to now. Some laptops, no, quality laptops. When yes, RLG, na under better Ghana agenda, 1 gig RAM, say laptop, say desktop, say tablet, say then say calculator. Now you teacher under friend say attachments of blended memory. Yes, RLG they need you. Teacher for muse mumpe. Musi na MPP kenke bo and I come here and I come here 7 cities come 8 cities come under Akufo-Addo. Same teachers, you were receiving 1,200 Ghana cedis every year for professional development, continuous professional development, CPD. This money under NDC, now you're saying, now you're 300 cedis. I said 300, 300 or something like that. Akufo-Addo came, 1,200. And that money, no, only teacher get break kasa. Now a free money. 1,200 for the boys. Every year, only say a share. Akufa do tiam. When you see, oh, Kenkebu. Under MPP, the chalk you were using, which was causing respiratory issues to teachers, they changed all those blackboards to marker boards. And they were providing marker for teachers. Meanwhile, under John Mahama and Nana Opoku-Agyeman Jane as Minister of Education, there was shortage of chalk. Shortage. When teachers complain about that, what were you told? You were told, say, if you cannot use your own money to buy the chalk, and they sit in the house. They told you that they will not buy you chalk today nor tomorrow. Did they not say that thing? They said all these things. Yet, teachers campaign against MPP. John Mahama's government cancelled teacher training allowances for the young trainees that were in the training colleges. Now, that money was the money that was cushioning the teacher trainees, so that in difficulties, some of them cannot even afford the school fees. So they were relying on the payment of the allowances to sort out their school fees and all. John Mahama had cancelled it. Akufo-Addo came, restored it. You people said, say, Akufo-Addo has brought licensing exam and the MPP government is wicked. Meanwhile, our licensing exams, nurses draw license, omunkasa. Doctors draw license, omunkasa. Physiotherapists, allied health, draw licensing exam, omunkasa. And the Ebanu Sena, as for teachers, teachers feel say they don't have to write licensing exam. And this will be assembly, you'll be here to the extent say he will go and vote against MPP. You see? You have voted MPP out now. Last year, 2024, salary increment, Akufo-Addo dimamu 30%. 30% salary increment. Should I say, if you were taking 1,000 and you take 1,300, say if you were taking 2,000, you take 2,600. If you were taking 3,000, you take 3,900. 30%. This year, John Mahama was saying 10%. 10% too. You have moved from 30% to 10%. And this is the happy second independence you are jubilating over. Now you are giving government ultimatum. Say 1 month. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, please don't mind them, eh? They are happy. In fact, we are all happy. Me, I'm happy. We are enjoying Ghana. Ghana is at its sweetest. The kind of administration and government we are witnessing under your administration, we have not seen that before. Yeah. I will have given you a third tenure, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And please, more fire. Please do not stop. Don't increase anybody's salary. In fact, that 10% crown down every year, you free hot. The teachers are happy. We are all happy. Just cancel the licensure exam. Once you cancel it, it's okay. They don't need the money. They can teach even voluntarily. They can teach freely. They told me that. So I'm telling you, have I ever lied to you before? No, I won't lie to you. The teachers are saying they are happy. They don't need money for anything. They are enjoying their second independence. And it's our 30th April deadline. Mama, John Mahama, no, please. April Fool. They don't mean it. They don't mean it. Don't take them seriously. They don't mean it. You know them. They don't mean it. They are our friends. Teachers are our friends. They do not mean it. And so we are solidly behind John Dramani Mahama. Operation Obianye Din continues. Let's all stay in it. Let's all suffer. In 2028, nobody will convince anyone to go and vote. Nobody. We will all be here. We will all see. By 4 a.m., people would run and go and queue and vote. When they go through it, when we all go through it, and if you are able to survive it, 2028, Johnny. This has been the political route with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. Cheers. See you in the next one.